Most people think Linux is just a scary black box with white text, but today I'm showing you 3 amazing Linux distributions that looks better than Windows and macOS combined. We are talking about Zorin OS, Garuda Mokka, and the underrated Elementary OS. If you are tired of big tech tracking you, but you love premium aesthetic, these ones are for you. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. First up we have Zorin OS. It looks and feels like a $100 OS, but it's free and open source. So let's see how it looks like. This is a fresh installed Zorin OS, so I will click on Start Tour here. And next. The Zorin appearance is a killer feature here. You can change your entire workflow in one click. So let's explore the options. This is the selected one right now. As you can see, you have your Start menu here. Here you have all your apps, similar to Windows. And you have your pinned apps here. And just like the stupid Windows, if you hover over some app, you will see a preview of it. And right here you have overview to all your apps. Here you have your quick options menu, or I don't know what they call it. And here you have your calendar. Now let's go back to the appearance app. And I will select this one. This one looks similar to the other one. The only difference I can see is that the apps are smaller and the opened apps take more space on the menu. Then we have this one, which is something like a baby from Windows 11 and GNOME. So the app menu is here. And here you have your overview. Here you have your quick options and calendar. And let's go to the next one. This one is the normal GNOME we all know. So here you have your overview and your app menu here. And here you have your quick options and calendar. Now let's go back to the appearance app. If you scroll down here, as you can see, if you upgrade to the Zorin OS Pro, you get more desktop layout. I think I will stick to the ugliest one right now. Okay, I know it's not so ugly, but it looks like Windows 11, that's why. Now let's go to theme. Here you can select your accent color. I will go with gray. Looks better. And for style, I will go with black. And that's what I'm talking about. Now let's see what's under other. Here you can select the theme for older application. I will leave it to Adwaita Dark. And icons if you want. Here you can change your mouse cursor. So I will go with something like, let's see what this one looks like. No, thank you. No. Still ugly. Okay, this one isn't bad. So I will go to Effects. I will leave animations on. And I will enable jelly mode to show you how it looks like. So now if I move a window, they are jelly as you can see. So I will disable it. And let's see what under desktop. Background is okay. Here you can disable icons on desktop. So I will do this. And Windows, everything is okay. Interface, nothing fancy. And font. So I will close this. And next. Let's see which online accounts are supported. And here you can see they support Google, Microsoft, OneDrive, Nextcloud, Exchange, IMAP and SMTP email, calendar, contacts and files using WebDAV, and enterprise login. So I will close this. And next. There is also the so-called Zorin Connect app, which is actually KDE Connect, but okay, Zorin Connect. And using this you can connect your Zorin OS to your mobile phone. So you can sync notifications, reply to messages, and share files. I will click on Next. Let's explore the software store. The normal GNOME software store here. So here you have all your applications. Let's search for Firefox, let's say. Here it is. You can just click on Install here, and it will get installed. So as you can see, it's not like Windows. You have to open up your browser and download the installer of Firefox and start it. It's all in the software store. And it's done, so let's open it. And this is how we install apps on Linux. I like Zorin OS because it looks really clean and it is built on Ubuntu, so you can run every Debian package on it. It also has an application that lets you run Windows applications on it. It's called Windows App Support. Here it is, you have to install it, but don't expect much of it. Many applications won't run using it. Our next one is Garuda Mokka. I hope I pronounced it right, but it is a distro for every arch-curious user. I think it doesn't look like any other distro. Here you can see the colors are really amazing And even the mouse cursor here looks really good. I just installed the OS and I have 448 notifications, or system updates, which is normal I think. This window welcomes you after installing the OS. So here you have some options like maintenance, system settings, gaming apps, boot tool, diagnostics, network tools, setup assistant, and start page. Let's see what's under maintenance. Here we can update the system, clean cache, clear orphans, refresh mirrors, refresh the keyring, manage the BetterFS assistant, remove Backman locked files, edit the repositories, and merge backdiff files. And let's go back. Let's see what's under system settings. Here we have some audio settings, virtualization, containers, so you can install Docker from here, some network settings, and Bluetooth, printing, firewall, and militias. And gaming apps. You will see all game launchers here, and Wine applications will be listed here I think, and gaming tools, militias, and all other things. And this is the desktop. Here you have your binned applications, here you have your Garuda assistant, which was open before, and your terminal, a web browser, file browser, system monitor, snapshot tool, system settings, and a software store. So let's take a look at these apps. We already know the assistant, so I will start the terminal. Look at these colors, I really like it. Let's do an ls here. I think they are using EZA here, which I showed you in the last video. So let's close the terminal and see the web browser. Looks like a Firefox redesign. Let's close it. And let's open the file browser. They are using Dolphin here, which is a really amazing file browser. So let's see the system monitor. Here you have your overview, the opened applications. Here you have your history and processes. These are all running processes right now. You can also select one and stop it. Now the snapper tool. Here you can just say create. I will call this snapshot before update and OK. And it will make a snapshot for your OS. It's really easy. So let's go to the system settings. And here we have the normal KDE settings app we know. So here you have like settings for really everything. Right here we have our application launcher. So here you can search and run applications. And you can do things like sleep, restart, or shut down your PC. Here we have our calendar. Here we have the clipboard, audio settings, brightness, mounted devices, and network settings. And here you have the user menu. You can shut down your PC from here and do things like that. Our next one is Elementary OS, which is the opposite of Garuda OS. It's really clean and it's built on Ubuntu, so you can run every Ubuntu application on it. So let's see how it looks like. I will click next. I think you know what I will take. I will go with dark and black. Next. Here you can enable night light if you want, so it will reduce the blue light. I will leave it off. Here you can enable automatic delete for things like downloaded files, all temporary files, screenshot files, and trashed files. This will be deleted after 30 days. Let's see what online accounts they support. I can't move the window, but I can move this one, so I will check it later. I will click on next here. And let's see the App Store. And nothing happens, so I will check it later. I will enable automatic updates. Okay, now it's here, the App Store, but again, I can't move this window. Next. And get started. Alright, now online accounts. Let's click on add account here. As you can see, they only support CalDAV and IMAP right now. So let's close it and open the App Store. It looks similar to the GNOME software. Here you have all your apps and you can select one and install. Let's see what we have on the app dock. Here we have our multitasking view, the Files Explorer, which looks really clean and I like it this way. And we have our web browser, also looking good. The main client, task, calendar, music, video player, photos, system settings, and app store. I will go to settings. Just like many things in Elementary OS, this looks really similar to the settings app in macOS. Let's see what's under desktop. Some wallpapers, some appearance settings, default and dark style, and some accent colors here. And under text, here you can change the size of the text. And dock, I will make it slightly bigger. And never hide it. And under multitasking, we can enable corner actions. So we can say on the top left, show the multitasking view, just like GNOME. And on the top right, show all windows. Button left, maximize current window. And similar to GNOME and macOS, here we have the applications, calendar and time, and some actions here, like volume, some quick settings, notifications, and quick settings one more time. And that's it for today. Now I must mention that every distro was running in a VM, and that's why the performance wasn't the best. And if you made the switch to Linux, take a look at this video, where I show you 10 amazing Linux apps everyone should have. This is Libre-Data, and we are just getting started. See you the next time.